Looking up best .22 rifle for the money feels like walking into a room where everyone is saying the same thing. Same specs, same claims, same polished photos. But here's what they don't show you, the tiny details that actually decide whether a rifle's worth your cash or just another disappointment waiting to happen. Product number 1, Gamo Swarm Whisper Multi-Shot. First up, the Gamo Swarm Whisper Multi-Shot Air Rifle. This one caught my eye because it promises quiet performance and rapid follow-up shots, two things that matter a lot if you're plinking in the backyard or hunting small game without spooking everything nearby. It's not a centerfire .22 LR, but as a high-powered air rifle, it delivers solid value for casual shooters who want accuracy without the noise. If you want a quiet, multi-shot option for target practice or pest control at close range, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 10-shot rotary magazine means you're not constantly reloading, which is huge when you're trying to take down multiple squirrels or just enjoy uninterrupted shooting. The integrated noise dampening technology keeps sound levels down, perfect if you live in a neighborhood or have nearby neighbors. And with a reported velocity up to 1000 FPS with lightweight pellets, it's got enough punch for small game under 30 yards. Over 1,000 units sold in the past month shows it's a popular choice, even if detailed reviews are sparse. Now, some people complained about the trigger pull being a bit stiff out of the box. Here's the thing though, that's common with break barrel air rifles, and a little adjustment or break-in usually smooths it out. It's not a deal breaker unless you're expecting a competition-grade trigger right away. Also, since it's an air rifle and not a firearm, it won't satisfy someone looking for traditional .22 LR ballistics or range use. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, quiet, repeat shot power for backyard fun or small pest control. Skip this one if you need long-range precision or plan on shooting hundreds of rounds a week. It's not built for heavy-duty use. Still, for the price and performance, it's a solid entry-level pick. Product number 2, Pellet Variety Pack 400 PCS. Next, this .22 caliber pellet variety pack from Pellet Sample. Now, technically, this isn't a rifle, it's ammo. But hear me out. If you're serious about getting the most out of your .22 air rifle, this kit solves one of the biggest hidden problems, figuring out which pellets your gun actually shoots best. You get 20 rounds each of 20 different types, from Crosman Premier to H&N Barracuda Match and JSB Exact Jumbo. That's 400 pellets total, covering weights from 13.43 to 25.39 grains. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Every air rifle has a sweet spot. Some love light, fast pellets, others prefer heavy, stable ones for accuracy. Without testing, you're just guessing and wasted money on the wrong ammo. This kit lets you find your rifle's favorite match, which can dramatically improve group sizes and consistency. At $64.23, it's like a science experiment for your airgun, and honestly, it's one of the smartest investments you can make after buying the rifle itself. Now, some people complained about the packaging being a bit flimsy, pellets shifting around in transit. Here's the thing though, as long as they arrive intact, and most do, it's a minor hassle. The real value isn't in the box, it's in the data you get from testing. Just store them properly once they arrive. This is perfect for you if you own a .22 air rifle and want to maximize accuracy without buying full boxes of the wrong pellet. Skip this one if you already know your rifle's preferred ammo or only shoot occasionally. It's overkill for casual plinkers. But for anyone serious about performance, this pack pays for itself in better shots and less frustration. Product number 3, Art Creativity Toy Machine Gun. Alright, this one's a curveball, the Art Creativity Special Forces Toy Machine Gun. It's not a real firearm obviously, but it's listed under .22 rifles, so let's talk about it. This 22-inch toy gun lights up, makes sound effects, comes with a bayonet and strap, and runs on 3 AA batteries. Priced at $31.46, it's clearly aimed at kids ages 8 and up who love imaginative play. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a parent looking for a safe, engaging gift that looks cool without crossing into realistic territory, this hits the mark. It's designed with toy safety laws in mind, bright colors, orange tip, no metal parts, so it won't raise eyebrows at school or public events. The LED lights and sound effects keep kids entertained for hours, and the stand and strap add to the realism without the danger. Now some people complain that the sounds stop working after a few days. Here's the thing though, it's a toy, not a tactical tool. Battery life and durability aren't built for heavy daily use. If your kid treats it like a real rifle, it'll break. But for supervised play and birthday fun, it's exactly what it claims to be. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, safe, visually exciting toy for a child who loves military-themed play. Skip this one if you're looking for anything functional or educational. It's pure entertainment. And honestly, for under $35, it's a solid party gift that won't disappoint on Christmas morning. Product number 4. Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i. Now, if the first Gamo felt a bit basic, this one, the Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i, steps it up. This break barrel air rifle shoots .22 caliber pellets at up to 1,300 FPS, making it one of the most powerful air rifles in its class. Over 400 sold in the past month shows it's a favorite among serious airgun enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 1,300 FPS velocity gives it real knockdown power for small game like rabbits or raccoons at moderate distances. The 10-shot capacity is rare in break barrel designs, which usually require single loading. The included scope, though basic, gets you on target fast, and the synthetic stock holds up well in rough conditions. Now, some people complained about the barrel being stiff to cock at first. Here's the thing though, that's normal with high-power break barrel rifles. It loosens up after 5,100 cycles, and the effort is part of what gives it that power. Just don't expect a smooth, easy stroke right out of the box. This is perfect for you if you want serious air rifle performance for hunting or long-range plinking. Skip this one if you have shoulder issues or prefer lightweight, easy cocking guns. It's a workout to operate. But for the money, it's one of the best high-power .22 air rifles available. Product number 5, Otis Patriot Cleaning Kit. Finally, the Otis Technology Patriot Series Cleaning Kit. Again, not a rifle, but essential if you own one. This compact kit is designed specifically for .17 and .22 caliber firearms, with bore brushes, mops, memory flex cables, and cotton patches all packed in a rugged hard case. It's built for breech-to-muzzle cleaning, which means better maintenance and longer barrel life. Even in .22 LR rifles, carbon buildup and lead fouling can throw off your shots over time. This kit lets you clean thoroughly without disassembly, thanks to the flexible cable and T-handle. The 34-inch cable reaches deep, and the labeled brushes ensure you're using the right size. At just over 50 sold recently, it's a niche but trusted tool among shooters who take care of their guns. Now some people complain that the case is a bit small for adding extra tools. Here's the thing though, that's by design. It's meant to be portable, not a full workshop kit. If you need more space, Otis makes larger versions, but for basic field or bench cleaning, this is ideal. This is perfect for you if you own a .22 rifle and want reliable, no-fuss maintenance on the go. Skip this one if you already have a full cleaning setup or only shoot occasionally. It's overkill for rare use. But for anyone who values precision and longevity, this kit is a small price for big peace of mind. So there you have it, 5 very different options, each solving a different piece of the .22 puzzle. The Gamo Swarm Whisper is great for quiet multi-shot fun. The Pellet Variety Pack helps you find your rifle's perfect match. The Toy Gun, pure kid-friendly fun. The Swarm Magnum delivers serious air rifle power, and the Otis kit keeps your real .22 running smooth. None are perfect for everyone, but one of them is probably perfect for you.